Hello guys, welcome back to another GT5 video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Ultimate Backup for your LSPDFR gameplay. Link into this mod is in the description. Let's get into it. Download this file, open it up, click on this folder, open up your directory or something I want to show you. Rage native UI.ll. So you see I have the newest, for me this is the newest version, 2.5.2023, 6:02 p.m. Now when you see this in your Ultimate Backup, this is going to say 8/1/2021. And this is an older version than what I have, so you always want to have the newest version. But if you don't have the newest version, drag both of these files into your directory. If not, if you have the newest one, then just drag and drop your plugins folder into your GTA 5 main directory, and Ultimate Backup is now installed. Thank you for watching. I appreciate